Okay, so here's the before of this project. See, the whole house had this tile floor. That's the kitchen that we started with. Here's the hood that we started with. Uh, Over here, the double oven, the microwave, the hood, the setup. So that's what we started with. Okay, here's the before of the bathroom. This is the where the vanity was. And you can see the tub there in the corner with a corner shower setup and two windows there. So that's what we started off with for the beginning. We started over here with the stove, which was much smaller. The hood, which was ugly and small. Modified those upper cabinets to accommodate the hood. The base cabinets to the right are new to accommodate the much larger oven. That's a BlueStar oven, by the way. About 18 grand for that oven. That hood, spectacular. The microwave used to be right here, relocated it over here. This used to be just doors, modified it to drawers. Did some modifications around the refrigerator and the island. Modified this. This didn't have drawers here. This was much funkier. Made that in this beautiful quartzite type countertop. I forget what the name of this is. This is just a spectacular top. So there is what you can do by modifying a kitchen where you're painting it, but correcting all the things that you don't like about it and making it really work for you. Love that large tile. A very elegant look. Enlarged the whole vanity, which was way smaller before. Two mirrors, lights, equidistance, gorgeous look. I know some of the features of this vanity. First of all, you have your typical deep drawers, self-closing. Notice here is a U-shape drawer. Notice all the storage you get in that. You've got another one down below, same thing. And then notice here on the side, you get these on either side of the sink for storing all kinds of stuff. Very, very nice vanity. Shower pan is barrier-free. You can sit down, use a handheld, stand up, have the rain head. This all flows into the infinity drain on the end. That's a beautiful format. That is a beautiful bathroom.